I'm gonna try. If that's okay with him.
Sweet.
I've actually been up 12, almost 13 minutes
Yeah, it is.
I lost my clunk on that.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's got a big old gap in there, doesn't it?
Yeah, isn't it crazy?
They don't relieve those hinges.
On GoPro on the drone.
Oh, now that would be cool.
Didn't you do that once?
I did.
It's like, where is it?
Yeah, I know, that's what I was... Can't track it. Thing's fast, isn't it?
And it's small.
Stay back. Oh yeah, that's what I say. I need to be behind the fence.
Interesting thing about it is that it didn't fly upside down.
You have to know which direction it is.
How does he know which
I
direction?
don't know how these guys do that. I don't know with it up so far. No idea. No idea. Feel like I'd be like, am I flying away or am I flying to?
I keep looking for you about a half a mile down the road.
Thing's pretty darn fast.
It will fly.
Okay, don't touch.
I did fly it fly it. That was amazing. Like it just laid broke and laid off.
I know, but that's how accidents happen, Sam.
I'm glad you got a good eye.
Right?
You won't be able to fly that way in about 50 years. About 50 years, you probably won't even do it.